What's up, YouTube? I wasn't going to do a how-to video on this because I just wanted to get it done, but I couldn't find a whole lot of information on how to do it, so hopefully this will help other people. Because when it comes to putting this in, it's a defouler. It's supposed to, I guess, trick your check engine light code or keep it from getting a code. Anyways, get 2 of those, 1 for each side. Comes with 3 jets. You use the middle one, and then there's a snap ring. There's no instructions on how to do it, so I put that jet on this side and it just wiggled around. I put it on this side, it just fell through the hole in the pipe, so obviously the snap ring holds that in place. Figured that out. This one has an extra plug in it for whatever reason. It came with the exhaust kit came with that extra plug, so I put that in, and my defouler goes in the front. There's the old one. So far I've only needed to a 15mm for the back exhaust bracket. Where it goes? Right, where is it? Right there. And then it's a 16mm at the exhaust manifold. The car is not sitting on those ramps, it's sitting on these jack stands. I drove it up on the ramps, took that cover off, put a jack under it, jacked it up, put it on jack stands. I needed those blocks to get it on the car ramps because the front end's so low. Anyways, once I got this loose, I had to use a pry bar to get it all the way off of there, and then I jacked the bottom of the engine up just a hair so I could get that last 1/8 of an inch off, and then finally it popped off of there. So all in all, not too bad. Just it's hot, real hot. So I'll finish this up when I'm done, but so far so good. I've already put the defouler in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in there. And this is a little extension they give you with the kit. This goes in first. This side came off a lot easier than the other side did, for whatever reason. Oops, almost forgot something. Yeah. This gotta go up first. Now we can put it on. that'll be alright. It's not quite the same out as this one is, but I think it should be okay. This one's nice and stiff. So we'll just tighten up these bolts. When that catalytic converter was on there, there was hardly any room to get to this nut. But now that I don't have a cat, I can get the ratchet in there. Before I had to do it with a wrench. Should be good. Oh, duh. Helps when you're going the right way. Try that again. I don't like how it's tangled up. Alright, here's the moment of truth. We're going to start it up. Pretty sure everything's connected, so find out. you've already heard it start up. It sounded fucking bitch. So we're gonna do a little test spin. Put the windows down so you can hear all the glory. Oh, it's got some pops now. Check engine light, so that's a good thing.